How to change hue and saturation in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this Photopea tutorial, I'll be putting you through and teaching you how you can change hue and saturation in Photopea. This tutorial works most times with images, alright? So if you want to change hue and saturation, it's very easy. Just follow me as I put you through how you can do so. Now the first thing to do is to open your project on your Photopea account, just like I have done here. And then once you've added your image, the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see a menu display some options like file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, etc. And then select image. Once you selected image, a box will be displayed. In the box, you will see other options, alright? Other things that you can use the image for, or other things that determines how you can edit the image. The next thing to do is to click on adjustment. Once you click on adjustment, a box will be displayed as well. And then in this box, you'll see brightness slash contrast, levels, curves, exposure, then hue slash saturation. Just click on it that way. And once you click on it, wait for it to load, and then you'll see the hue and saturation page. On this page, you can now edit and change the hue and saturation the way you want. Okay, by love pressing on this and moving this to increase the hue. Right, as you can see, as you're changing it, the image is being affected, and then you can also lessen it. Alright, the same thing applies to the saturation. Okay, he wants it to be deeply saturated or not. Alright, and then once you're done, click on OK. Just like that, the hue and saturation has been changed, as you can see. So this is how you can change hue and saturation on Photopea. Very simple, right? Thanks for watching.